Happy holidays from Dune Sport Custom Toy Haulers.
Today we have a 36-foot fifth wheel we want to show you, starting out front with a Firestorm and American flag logo. We've got your Gen Y gooseneck pin box, 30-pound propane bottles up here in the front with your 5,500 watt gas generator. This is to run 2 ACs. We added a shelf and a cigarette lighter and 12-volt USB for a compressor. Dual motor landing gear with upgraded JT strong arm supports here for better stability. We've got an added solar port here to add more panels, barbecue connect, full pass-through storage with magnetic catches, a tie down here for your dog leash, and an added storage box for tools or whatever else you want to store in there. We do have rock lights underneath this trailer that change color. We've got upgraded 8,000-pound axles and your road armor shock absorbing equalizers. Exterior TV mount here and pre-wire. You can bring the bedroom TV out here. Another barbecue grill connect and another tie down. JT strong arms on the rear jacks as well as the front for more stability. And this beautiful white fiberglass trailer is ready to go. We've got on the driver's side this little compartment here with the battery cutoff switch, a drain hose carrier. We've got 200 gallons of fresh, 100 gray and 50 black. We've got a 10-gallon water heater, another storage box here, hot and cold spray port. And back here we've got a 30-gallon fuel pump station that also feeds the generator, and a ladder that takes you to the roof so that you can clean off your 800 watts of solar up there if you need to. On this passenger side, we've got two 17-foot awnings that spans down the whole side here, two 2700 lumen floodlights, and a surveillance camera above this entry door. Love the magnetic catches on every door. Let's show you the magic. As we walk in here, you're going to notice that it's outfitted with upgraded countertops, single basin sink. We've got the 4-camera Furrion system, so you can also use it as surveillance if you want. Day-night shades in every window. A 3-burner cooktop with oven that's recessed with a glass top cover. A flip-up 2-foot extension here at the end of the kitchen. And then another foot here on this end. So plenty of counter space. Up above here, you're going to notice a microwave in stainless steel. And overhead cabinet storage with end caps to the ceiling on every overhead cabinet. So there is a cubby above on every cabinet in this trailer for additional storage. Got an added cabinet up here above the fridge with a shelf in it. And this is our 16 cubic foot, 12-volt Furrion fridge, freezer on the left, fridge on the right. We've got Euro recliners here that you can lean back in. Dual queen Happy Jack beds here in the back. So these are household queens. Sofa here. And there's your view of the TV that folds down from the ceiling. So let's show you these light switches here. You do have dimmer switches available to you. These are on the floodlights on the passenger side. We added a USB outlet there for a night light. Got a slider door to the bathroom here. AC controls, furnace controls. Let's go up these steps here and show you the bathroom. So vanity, nice and large. We've got an undermount sink here as well as a single post faucet. Some storage here below. And this shower here is actually our 4x3 foot residential shower, overhead cabinet above, and then we added some space here behind this toilet for a dirty clothes hamper. Customer wanted some space left right there. So bedroom, you got your wardrobes on each side to hang clothes, nightstands and drawers below. Queen center walk around bed, day night shades again throughout. We've got our batteries under here. So we've got two 300 amp hour lithium batteries, 3,000 watt inverter, an 80 amp solar controller, and 800 watts of solar on the roof. Two big drawers here, your inverter controls, your generator controls, and plenty of room here at the foot of the bed to move around. So on the foot of the bed, this wall here, we've got the TV that transfers to the outside. We've also put dimmer switches here in the bedroom along with the floodlights outside, air conditioning controls. And in the corner, we've got a mirrored wardrobe closet. So these doors here have mirrors built into them. And then we have a washer dryer combo down here below. Part of the reason we have the upgraded water capacity of 200 gallons fresh and 100 gray. We've got a flip up counter here because the customer wants to potentially work out of his trailer and have a little space to do so. We've got an outlet on the wall there below. This trailer here does have a lot of features you can't see. It does have all the necessary heavy duty upgrades, 12-inch I-beam, double deck floor, a 5,000 pound ramp door here that you can see that we can open with a winch. We installed the winch in the ceiling. I'm able to open this ramp door with a key fob remote. It's got 16.5 foot of cargo from the ramp door all the way up here to this kitchen counter and fridge wall. A second winch down there below that door to pull machines in that break down. Hope you guys have had a Merry Christmas and have a Happy New Year. Contact us anytime with questions. We're always happy to help. Have a great day.